Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. In this video, I am going to show you how to log in on Facebook account without phone number, without email address. If you forget your phone number, don't worry, you can log in with your Facebook ID. In this video, we will learn how we can find our Facebook ID, then log in with Facebook ID. Open your Facebook app, any of them you want. I want to open Facebook Lite. When you open your Facebook Lite, then click on your Facebook profile. Okay, here we have three dots. Here, click on three dots. Then here we have copy link. Click here. If you are not logged in on your Facebook, I will show you other way. If you log in on your Facebook, copy your link profile. Then close your Facebook app. Now open your Google Chrome or Chrome. Here write find my FB ID. Okay, then search. Open the first link. Find your Facebook ID. Open this site. Paste your link here. Put your finger here, then click on paste. Then click find Facebook ID. It will take a few seconds. Okay, now it search for you to find your Facebook ID. Scroll down here. Look, it is your Facebook ID. When you copy this ID, then you don't need to use your phone number. Then open your Facebook. I want to open this Facebook. Here paste your Facebook ID, and also here write your password. When you write your password, then click on login. Now you successfully log in on your Facebook account without phone number, without email address, just with Facebook ID. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. In the end, don't forget to like this video and share this video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more useful content. See you soon. Have a good day.